Assalamualaikum. In this video, we learn how to install Python latest version on Windows 10 machine. So let's start. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video. So open your favorite browser and type here Python. So from the first link, click that. On that, click on downloads. So you'll get the latest version of Python here on 3.12.1. So let's download this. So for the time saver purpose, I already download this one. So I'll go to the my downloads directory. So you can see we have here. Okay. So let's try to install this. Click on that. Setup. Now click on install now. Use admin privileges. Add Python that execute path. Okay. So let's try to install this. So it's take a little time according to your system specifications and internet speed. So setup was successful install. Let's close this one and open command prompt. Let's try Python. So you can see we have Python 3.12.1 is installed in our system. So good luck guys. If you're curious, feel free to comment below, subscribe to the channel, like the video.